Right, so after 12 minutes now I'm going to check on the banana cake to see the outcome. That's the outcome of it being in the microwave after 12 minutes. So I'm going to let it cool down for a bit. Then I'm going to transfer it to the plate and I'm going to compare the two. So in the oven, let me have a look at the result of the one in the oven and see what it looks like. Oh dear me. Right, so look at this. Look at the result of this. That's the result in the microwave. Much more browner and much more, it looked more yummy to me. But I'm gonna leave it now. I started it off with let me see if I can turn it down. I baked it on a oven heat of about 240 degrees, I suppose. What? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, it's been 12 minutes since this been sitting in the microwave. Tasha, come and have a look at the outcome of the banana cake. Come. Come and look. Very soon you're gonna be a top baker. Come. Have a look. You see? Does it look nice? Hold on. Hold on to this. Let me
Yeah,
try.
it looks nice.